Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jack. Hi, everybody.
Wow, Jack, you are super energetic today.
Of course. Today's topic is so cool. We're talking about artificial intelligence, or AI, in the simplest, easiest way possible. Perfect for our A1, A2 learners.
Exactly. And if you're new here, just a quick thing. Please hit that red subscribe button and ring the bell. Thank you so much. Now, let's jump in.
Ready, Olivia?
Born ready.
What is AI?
Okay, imagine this. You wake up in the morning, your phone says, "Good morning," and tells you the weather. Is that magic?
No, that's artificial intelligence. We call it AI for short.
So, Jack, what is AI in super simple words?
Great question. AI is when computers try to think and learn a little bit like humans. Not exactly like us, but a little bit.
Like a very clever robot friend?
Yes, exactly. A clever robot friend that can see, hear, talk, understand, and sometimes even make small decisions.
YouTube, Netflix, and AI learning from you.
Let's start with an easy example. Do you use YouTube or Netflix?
Every day.
When you open YouTube, it shows videos you might like, but how does it know?
Magic again?
No, that's AI. The computer watches what you click, what videos you finish, what you skip, and then it learns. Olivia likes cat videos and cooking videos.
Wait, so AI is learning from me?
Yes, we say AI learns from data. Data equals information. More data equals smarter AI.
So the more I watch, the more YouTube understands me?
Exactly. Sometimes too well.
Oh, yes, YouTube knows my heart. Mini grammar lesson. Okay, let's try a very tiny grammar point. We say AI learns, present simple. AI learned yesterday, past simple. AI is learning right now, present continuous.
Super. Now let's practice together. I say the sentence and you repeat in your head or out loud. Ready? 1. AI helps us every day. 2. Yesterday, my phone learned my favorite songs. 3. Right now, AI is watching what I click.
Beautiful job, everyone!
Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. You say, "Hey Google, play happy music," and it plays music.
How?
First, AI hears your voice. Second, it understands the words. Third, it does the action.
So 3 steps. Listen, understand, do.
Perfect. Easy to remember.
Robot vacuum cleaner example.
Friends, do you have a robot vacuum cleaner at home? The little round one that cleans the floor by itself?
That's also AI. It has cameras and sensors. It sees the table, the sofa, the walls, and it makes a little map in its brain.
So that's why it doesn't bump into the sofa every time.
Exactly. First day, bump, bump, bump. After 1 week, perfect clean. No bumps at all.
Because it learned the map.
Mini task.
Let's do a tiny task. I want you to tell me 3 places where you meet AI every day. Example. Number 1, YouTube recommendations. Number 2, phone voice assistant. Number 3, Spotify playlist.
Write your 3 things in the comments, please. We read every comment. Does questions.
Okay, new small grammar point. Questions with does. Does AI think like humans? No, not exactly. Does AI learn from mistakes? Yes, it does. Try these. Does your phone understand English? Does AI need electricity? Does AI sleep at night?
The answers are yes, yes, and no, it doesn't sleep.
Perfect. You're doing amazing, really. Face recognition example.
One more fun example, face recognition on your phone. You look at the camera, your phone opens.
That's AI looking at thousands of tiny dots on your face and saying, yes, this is Olivia.
It learned your face from the photos you took when you set it up.
So AI can see pictures and understand them? Yes. Doctors also use AI to look at X-ray photos and help find problems faster.
That's actually amazing. AI can help save lives. Can AI create art?
Yes, now it can. There is AI called ChatGPT that can write stories, emails, even homework. But please do your homework yourself, okay?
Yes, yes. An AI like Midjourney or DALL-E can make beautiful pictures. You just write something like, a cat astronaut flying in space, and poof, the picture appears.
Amazing and a little crazy, right? AI is becoming very creative.
Vocabulary time.
Let's learn a few new words. Machine,
Intelligence.
artificial,
So, artificial intelligence.
Now repeat after me, slowly with a calm voice. Artificial.
Intelligence.
AI.
Great job. Fantastic pronunciation. Many task.
Small task. Make a super easy sentence with the word AI. Example. AI helps me wake up in the morning. Now you try. Say it out loud or write it in the comments. Don't be shy. Practice makes perfect.
Self-driving cars.
Another amazing example. Self-driving cars. Tesla, Waymo. These cars can drive by themselves.
No driver?
Exactly. The car uses cameras, radar, and AI. AI looks around 360 degrees all the time, even better than human eyes.
Does it stop at red lights?
Yes, AI sees the red light, understands stop, and stops the car safely.
Wow. Maybe one day no more traffic jams?
I hope so. A world with smart cars? Sounds nice.
Grammar practice.
Let's practice present simple questions again. Question. What does AI do in a self-driving car? Answer. It sees the road. It understands signs. It drives safely. Now your turn. Write your own question and answer in the comments. For example, what does AI do on YouTube? It recommends videos.
Game time. Is it AI or not AI? Okay, fun game time. We play Is it AI or not AI? I say something and you answer in your head yes or no. 1. My dog barks when someone comes. Is it AI? No. 2. Netflix shows movies I like. Is it AI? Yes. 3. My calculator adds numbers. Is it AI? No, just a normal computer. 4. Robot vacuum cleans the floor alone. Is it AI? Yes. 5. My mom cooks dinner. Is it AI? No, she is a super intelligent human.
How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers. AI in games.
Now, let's talk about games. When you play mobile games and the computer enemy is very smart, That's AI.
Yes, it learns how you play and becomes stronger.
Sometimes too strong.
Yes, I always lose. Every time.
Same, Jack, same.
Grammar time. Super easy. We use can to talk about abilities. Examples. AI can speak many languages. AI can translate from English to other languages in 1 second. AI can't feel emotions yet. Now practice. Phones can. Robots can. Humans can.
Good. Keep going.
AI and farming. One more cool thing. AI helps farmers around the world. Drones fly over fields, take photos, and AI says, "This plant needs water. Here, there are bugs. This part of the field is healthy."
So farmers save water, save time, and grow more food. AI helps feed the world. Pretty amazing, right?
Key points. Number 1, AI equals computers that learn and think a little like humans. Not exactly like humans, but a little bit.
Number 2, AI uses data to become smarter. More data equals smarter AI.
Number 3, we meet AI every single day. In our phones, on YouTube, in cars, in games, in apps, everywhere.
A personal question.
Question for you. Are you scared of AI or excited about AI? Think about it for a moment.
I am excited. AI can help us in many ways. But we must also be careful and use it the right way, responsibly, kindly, and safely.
Bigger task.
Now let's do a bigger practice task.
I want you to write a tiny story, just 4 to 6 sentences, using at least 3 new words you learned today. Here is one example story. One day, I woke up. My phone said, "Good morning," because of AI. Then I opened YouTube and saw cat videos. Again, AI. In the evening, my robot vacuum cleaned the house. AI is everywhere.
See? Very simple, very natural. Now you try. Write your mini story in the comments in simple English. We will read, correct gently, and give you hearts.
Last grammar point. Future with will.
Now you practice. Tomorrow I will. Next year AI will probably. Say your answers out loud. Don't worry, nobody is listening except your English brain.
True or false, final round. And now, the last game of the day. True or false, final round. 1. AI needs coffee in the morning. False. 2. AI can learn from mistakes. True. 3. AI is only in big, expensive computers. False. It's in your phone. 4. AI can drop pictures now. True. 5. AI has real feelings like love or fear. Not yet.
If you got 5 out of 5, congratulations! You are officially an AI expert at A1, A2 level.
Final message.
Before we finish, let's remember one important thing.
AI is not magic. AI is not something to fear when we understand it. AI is a tool like a very clever hammer. The more we learn, the better we can use it.
Thank you for watching all 3 parts of this AI lesson. You are wonderful learners, and we are so proud of you.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and write one thing you learned today in the comments.
We read every single comment, every day, and your messages make us smile.
See you tomorrow with a new easy English topic.
Bye-bye, friends!
Take care, everyone.